Okay, here comes the first drive of the 912 after 4 years of working on it, and I'm ready to roll. Let's see what happens. You are a virtual passenger. Feels great. Let's see a little bit of what's going on over here. Soft, but that goes with the territory. Okay, a little bit more forward, I think. Mirrors, good. Here we go. We're going downhill, baby. Riding them brakes. First time. I'm taking it out for the first time. Wish me luck. It sounds pretty good, doesn't it? I'll be back. There should be stuff in their fridge, except for I ate the rest of the pizza. See ya. What that was. Obviously needs some love. I'm going here. Third gear, no problem. Fourth gear, second gear, turn signal on, following. We're home, baby! First trip, no blow up, no explosions, no tow trucks. Got some carburetor adjusting to do though, for sure. How about that? Let me shut this thing off. How do you do that?